Siren is loud, 2.5 revolutions.
Siren 6, your report please.
2 rotations, loud.
Siren 8, your report please.
Alright, loud, action going.
Is that siren secure? Number 11, your report please. Line number 16, your report please.
Number 16 is secure, loud, 2.25 rotations.
Number 18, your report please.
Number 18 is secure, loud, 2.5 rotations.
Siren 21, your report please.
Secure, loud, 2.5 rotations, W5 DKL.
Siren number 26, your report please.
Number 26, loud and clear, 2.5 rotations. KC5, KC.
Siren 28, your report please.
And number 28 is loud, secure, and 2.5 rotations, 85 SP.
Siren number 39.
Number 39 is secure, 2.5 rotations, loud, AE5 BT.
Siren number 31, your report please.
2.5 for 10.75 revolutions, everything's secured, loud, and that's it, KB5, PMX.
Thank you. Siren 19 and Siren 36, your reports please.
Siren 19, secure, loud, 2.5 rotations. Siren 36, secure, loud, 2.75 rotations. W5 MAY.
Thank you. Siren number 40, your report please.
Secure, loud, and 2.4 rotations.
Thank you. Siren 45, your report please.
System secure, loud, and 2.5 revolutions.
Thank you. Siren 46, your report please. Siren number 46, your report please. Siren number 51, your report please.
Siren 51, loud enough to wake the dead, ran for 3 minutes.
Thank you. Siren number 9, your report please.
Number 9, secure, 2.5 rotations, and very loud, 85 JJ.
Thank all of you for your reports. Did I miss anyone?
This is Siren 46, have a local inquiry here and missed it. 2.5 revolutions allowed, and it's secure location.
Siren number 11, did you siren finally stop? Battery test should start any moment. Siren 11, do you have a report for me now, please?
Lock and box secure.
I assume that was loud, is that correct? Thank you, Siren 11.
I get one of this MJG clear.
Thank you, MJG. You're all ready to go. Appreciate your assistance today, K50M. Is there anybody with the siren still sounding? Hearing none, we'll go ahead and do the reports for the battery test then. Siren number 1, go ahead please. All I need is tone and rotation.
Siren 1, loud, 2.5 rotations. Station 1 clear.
Thank you, sir. Siren number 6, your report please.
2.5 rotations, loud. 85 LSU clear.
Thank you, LSU. Siren number 11, your report please.
Siren number 11, again, 5 revolutions, box, secure, loud.
CMP, did you also have 5.5 revolutions on that first test as well?
Affirmative.
All right, I will make a note of that. Thank you.